We have breaking news, y'all. Whistleblower David Grusch has released a statement in response to Arrow and his list of 40 witnesses. Let's dive in. If you're new to the channel, y'all, and you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button. I put out a new video every day, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. I do not miss a day. And please hit that like button, vetters. That really helps out the videos, so thank you all so much for the support there. And of course, comment down below. What do you think of David Grusch's statement? Let's dive in. All right, here we go. It's going to be kind of a short video. Just going to get straight to the point here. Again, links in the description. Go check it out for yourself. He says new. He says new. New statement from Grusch. I am not aware of any of the 40 primary interview subjects that form the basis of my ICIG whistleblower complaint having gone to Arrow to be interviewed. The witnesses conveyed to me a lack of trust in Arrow and the command climate. Interesting. Grusch continued. Here we go. I am only aware of 3 individuals with mostly secondhand knowledge that were interviewed by Arrow that I also spoke with some years back during my research process. Those individuals did produce some interesting leads I followed, but it appears Arrow did not have the expertise to distill the information they were given, as it should have provided them access to a large body of foreign intelligence and other U.S. program information I had access to that is not reflected in the Arrow Historical Report, Volume 1. Senator Gillibrand does not have access to my witness list, so I am unaware how the senator allegedly has made any assessment in that regard. An apparent reference to ex-Arrow director Sean M. Kirkpatrick's comment below. So it says, Senator Gillibrand and I have spoken about that often. And while we, you know what, let me read the whole thing here. I don't know if it helps. First, I am certain you can discern the 2 whistleblowers that Gillibrand referred to, one of which has been quite vocal in the media about his lack of engagement with Arrow, the evidence of which was released with a FOIA request about a month ago. We discerned all of the relevant information he and the other one have provided Congress, but not Arrow, through investigations of their sources and other interviewees who came forwarded to discuss their interactions with those individuals. Senator Gillibrand and I have spoken about that often, and while we both agree we believe we covered all of the ground, we cannot say 100% unless they come forward to discuss. So there you go, right? And on top of that, you got, don't forget that right here, I made a video about, right here you can see Burchett. Tim Burchett claimed, right, in an interview that of those list of David Grusch's witnesses, of those 40, some of them are going to testify, right, in the next hearing. So this is interesting. And Grusch has not spoken in a long time, y'all. I mean, a long time since he's released a statement or said anything, period. So this is interesting, right? Like, he's responding to the Arrow report now. You know what I mean? I don't know. Curious what everyone's going to say in the comments. Again, links in the description. Go check it out. Again, go check out the video also that I made about Burchett talking about, you can hear Burchett talking about Grusch and the witness list and all that. It's in the video. Thanks to Askapol. So, and this statement was released through this person right here. Merrick, former federal government, DOD, occasional opinion for the Hill. Writes for the Hill as well. He posts a lot of stuff. Okay. So there he is in the middle. Oh, you can't see that, can you? There you go. With some military dudes. So there you have it. He also like debated Mick West about one of the 3 videos that got released. I think it was the gimbal. I can't remember exactly. Either way, honestly, he's a pretty objective person, and I can see why Grusch released a statement through him. But at the same time, I don't know if I've seen Merrick release statements about Grusch, and why through him? I don't know. Interesting. So we'll wait and see. I don't know what that means. We'll wait and see what the response is online. Again, links in the description. I don't know, y'all. We'll stay up to date with it. All right. We'll see you on tomorrow's video. Remember, every day's a gift. Peace.